Another episode of G-Man Fishing. We are here at Prineville Reservoir. Got the fly rod out, trying to catch some trout. Worm and Bobber Girl's here someplace. Not anywhere close enough for me to get her in shot, but she's somewhere around, and so's the other one. And now I'm just like making a mess of everything. So we're out here, we're trying to catch some fish and make a video for y'all. I'm sure Worm and Bobber Girl and Krista will be down here eventually. I just don't know when. And the wind is horrendous today. So we're just out here chilling, having a good time, trying to catch some fish, make a video for y'all. And we'll see what happens. You just never know what's gonna happen on an episode of G-Man Fishing. So y'all stay tuned. It should be a good one, I hope. Oh, we are hooked up with a giant, y'all. A giant. A giant. Ooh, it is a giant, an absolute giant, y'all. Wow, that is a beast. Whoo. Yeah, oh, look at the size of that beast. Whew. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Look at the size of that fish. Y'all. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't want to. Somebody, anybody. All right, I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it. Oh, look at the size of that fish, y'all. You want to net him for me? Yeah. It was wrapped around the rod of the other rod there, and I couldn't get it off. Y'all check out that beast. That is a huge fish. I'm going to try and work him towards you head first. Yep, he's not done yet. Not done yet. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Come on, stay pinned, get that, get it, go, oh. I think we might need a bigger net, y'all. Okay, let's keep close to water. Check out the size of that trout, y'all. Check out the size of that trout. I mean, whoa, what an absolute tank, y'all. It is an absolute pig. Get that hook out of him. Okay, hook is out. Whoa. Yeah. Check out the size of that fish, y'all. You want to get in my pocket and get a picture of this fish?
Which pocket?
This one?
This one?
Yeah. Hold it sideways and get a good picture. That way I can put it on YouTube. Oh, put him back. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let me. Okay. Check out the size of that fish, y'all. That is an absolute beast. Bye bye. Yes. Yes. There you guys go. That's why we fish, y'all. Yes. Hi. Is it a big one, Krista? Krista's got hooked up. Is that one of them? Oh, it is. Don't look like it's as big as the one I got, but it's the big one. Okay. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Way to go, Krista. I got hung up on her. Way to go, Krista.
Why does mine look like it's no vinyl?
It's just the coloration of the what they're eating and coloration of the water.
Did you hook up?
No, I didn't.
Oh.
Did you give me my gerber back, babe?
Relda? Yeah, I did.
Okay. Yeah, just hold it like that. All right.
You sure are ugly, aren't you?
Come on. Get there. Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. All right, let me get my phone out and get your picture, and then you can let him go. All right. Yeah. We are having a day out here.
I'm not touching this thing.
Well, you got to hold it up to where people can see the fish.
How am I supposed to grab it?
You've never had a problem grabbing a fish before.
I know, but I'm a girl.
Forget the picture then. You can't grab it like you used to.
No, I can't. This is disgusting.
Well, just let him go. Don't want to keep him out of the water too long. Okay? Here, I'll let him go for you then. Yeah. Check that fish out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a beautiful fish.
Here, I'll just put him.
Just hold on. I get him. Kiss him. There you go.
Yay.
There you go. Bye bye.
I did it!
Nice. Make sure I was recording. Yep, I was. Girl's finally hooked up.
Finally!
Yay! I think we need a bigger net. All right, worm and bobber girl. Way to go.
I don't think I'll be able to hold it.
Yeah.
I'll hold the butt end if you hold the other end.
Way to go, worm and bobber girl. I was over there helping Kristen and getting ready to recast my rod, and worm and bobber girl's pulling in a fish and didn't say nothing. How dare, how dare.
I thought you were stuck. Well, I was for a bit. But I was getting mad because I had a fish on and I was stuck.
No, was you stuck on the rocks with your line?
Did he swallow it?
Yeah, he did. We could keep him and give him away, but he's like oversized, we'd probably get in trouble if we kept him. So we'll just give him the hook. He's probably over 20 inches, and I think you're only I'm not real sure if you're allowed to keep him over 20. So there you go, sweetheart. See, you get a good look at that beautiful trout. And we'll let her release it. She's got a banged up hand, so she's not going to be able to hold it for a picture, so well, okay, there you go, sweetheart.
Yeah.
Just hold him in there for a minute so he can get, I know he's ready to go, just hold him in the water just like that. Let him revive himself and flip him out. See? Alright, worm and bobber girl.
Yo, good job.
There he goes, back into the deeps. Sweet. Make sure I was recording. I was.